Let's say you're a business owner and you just had to lay off 100 employees and had a $16 million deficit a couple years ago. You might be like, oh crap, I better be more careful with my money in the future, and perhaps save a bit. Or, if you're St. Louis University, I guess you just might buy 2,300 Amazon Echoes. Let's take a look. St. Louis University in Missouri has a gorgeous campus. That's a pretty neat looking fountain, and here's some well-maintained emerald green grass. But the school's financial prospects have been rather less than gorgeous. St. Louis University scrapped around 120 faculty and admin positions in March 2017, and also ditched 130 vacant capacities. The previous fiscal year, the school had a $16 million deficit. And now, it's decided to purchase Amazon Echoes. You know, those little gadgets that play music, search the internet, and make calls all hands-free with that friendly robot Alexa. Oh, and remember, this is also one of those devices that collects user data, with which it does who knows what. Amazon Echoes go for $50 on Amazon, and St. Louis University is buying one for each of its more than 2,300 dorm rooms on campus. That comes out to roughly $115,000, though the school did say it bought them at a discount. David Hackinson, the university's vice president, said that every minute we can save our students from having to search for the information they need online is another minute that they can spend focused on what matters most, their education. David, you know that it takes roughly the same amount of time to type a question out on Google as it does to ask it orally, right? Oh, and have you ever heard of this thing called research? Learning how to find things yourself is a pretty crucial part of education. Anyways, this wouldn't be quite so egregious if this weren't the same school that recently made over 100 layoffs and is expecting a $10 to $20 million loss each year. At $42,166, St. Louis University's tuition price is already over $7,000 higher than the average cost at private universities. Wouldn't this money be better spent on scholarships? For Campus Unmasked, I'm Shimshock. If you like this video and support our mission, please make sure to comment and subscribe. If something happens on your campus and you'd like us to investigate, send us details using the form on campusunmasked.com.